hazardous materials warning for the state of Alaska. The following message is transmitted at the request of the State of Alaska Emergency Preparedness. Catastrophic failure has occurred on the DirecTV satellite Spaceway 1. The battery of the satellite has exploded, causing it to fall out of orbit. Remains of the satellite are likely to fall in the Matanuska-Susitna Borough, although they can fall anywhere in Alaska. If you see falling debris from the sky, evacuate from the area immediately. Do not look at the debris and report it to the authorities.